fighting for the tradition and the spirit of competition. Reminding us that the Touring Club is not just a game, but a festival of our collective identity.
Mày ai? Ayo, video lạc rồi.